Hello everyone. Now we're going to set the date and the time for Cash Register Sharp XE-A206. So we have this key facing regular. We're going to set it at program X1Z1. Now we're going to do the date, which is today's July 20th, 2019. So put 07/20/2019. Then you're going to put subtotal. You're going to press subtotal. And then you have the date, July 20th, 2019. Now we're going to set the time, which right now is 5:52 p.m. So we're going to do a 24-hour time. So 17:52. And we're going to press this, subtotal. And then we have 5:52 p.m. So, thank you for watching.